what are you doing posing next to this deal? What's up?
Well, this is You Can Flake It #1. Here's our first one in an episode when anybody can go ahead and spray products. And we've got this bullhorn here.
Awesome, dude. So what are you going to hit with first?
Adhesion promoter again because it's made of plastic, and we want to do that. So.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. So what is this part of the You Can Flake It? You're going to have people send in their
Anybody
videos?
can come and send in, give us some ideas what you want to do. If you guys are on You Can Flake It, you get a t-shirt and we'll give you $75 worth of free swag from Roth Metal Flake.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Yeah.
And now you're going to go into some color.
Yep, we're going to put down Surfite silver base on this. We're going to base it in silver base coat.
Oh, that's cool. So, like, say little Timmy from Tennessee can send in, like, oh, I flaked out my flash suppressor. And you go, oh, yeah, dude, you get, like, a free t-shirt.
He can do his flash suppressor or he can do his mama's dresser.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Okay.
Whatever you want to do, just send it in. This stuff's not supposed to be, like, really intense. Just go have fun with it.
Right.
Make something happen, for God's sake.
Right, just any color, any imaginary thing you want to do,
Yeah.
any creative stuff.
Antique radio,
Right.
blender.
And that means they can even, like, shoot right there in, like, some little concrete alcove if it's in kind of a windy day.
If you want, hold your breath and go ahead and do it.
Right.
This one, it's getting Surfite silver base, and then it's getting cherry pie candy just to kind of dress it up a bit.
Yeah, that looks like a cheese skirt on a hamburger. You know what I mean? Oh, but only red brown.
I'm digging it.
Yeah, well, I'm getting hungry.
Well, we're gonna go get some Wendy's, aren't
okay.
we? Oh man.
Yeah, well, I'm going to get a hamburger with a cheese skirt.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the killer stuff, baby. The Y2K, come on.
This is a 2-part clear again. I mean, if you want to hold your breath, fine, or do it downwind. This is actually a windy day when I'm spraying this thing.
Yeah, well, in Tennessee, every day is a windy day, so little Timmy. But
Well,
he
they
has to
can
use
do
a
it.
mask.
If I can do it, you can do it.
Right, exactly. And there you pop the bottom in, and that puts the MEK into
It's
the can.
hardener. Actually, it's a isocyanide catalyst that's a hardener, and you do want to wear a mask when you spray this stuff, so.
Any hardener to me is just MEK. That's what I used to play with when I was a child.
You're totally old school with Dad back in the day and all that
Washing
stuff.
your hands with a gallon of MEK.
Oh, man. No, that is not the right mask.
What? Where did you get that, dude? Hey, you know what? That was for another wardrobe shot and change that we were going to do later.
It's a cool mask, but it's not approved.
Yeah. Well, you got a K&N filter inside your mouth at this point.
Oh, man.
And
yeah.
just
I think I was just holding my
Q-tip
breath.
shoved up your nose.
Yeah,
Oh, you held your breath? Well, it was a windy day, like you
yeah,
said.
I've had a few days before, so I'm used to it.
But what we got this shot in there is for, is to show you, dude, this is the wrong mask. This
That-
is the right mask.
There you go. Right mask for all of you out there.
Right.
We do sell masks if you want to buy one from us, or go get it from somewhere, wherever you get it.
What now? What is this? Tesla's
Well,
traffic.
I guess we must
Tesla
be done.
cars leaving. You waving at waving at the
man.
Tesla.
I'm waiting for the cops to
People.
come and haul me off to the nut house. There's a finished product, bro.
It looks sick. I just can't believe it. So adhesion, flake, candy, and a shot of clear over that Y2K.
Please submit your additions to You Can Flake It. You want to do something? Hey, we're down.
I'm gonna call myself Little Timmy from Tennessee.
Oh, you can't, John. You can't submit. You're part of the
Why
administration.
you?
You're the president.